you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is finally a day that I sit behind the camera, film again for you guys. I'm so excited to be filming this makeup look. As you guys can see, I have almost my whole face completely done. I already put my primer, foundation, did my brows, did my contouring, my bronzing, did bake my face like a lot today, you guys. I tried out the rice powder and I have to tell you guys, this is the best baking setting powder that is out there. I never tried the Coty Airspun yet and also the Laura Mercier one, but I bet they're like dupes. This one is like dupe for those one. Yes, I think this one is dupe for the Coty and also dupe for the Laura Mercier one and the RCMA or CMA. I think this is a perfect dupe and it's mineral, it's natural, it's botanical. This was so great about this product, you guys. I can't wait for you guys to go get it, order it online. I did leave the link in my previous video. You guys can go ahead, check it out. It is only $7. Go grab yours because it is the best. I tried it out today. It leave a coverage and I tried it out with the best concealer out there, which is the Maybelline Age Renew, because my dark circles, you guys know I have like major dark circles. You guys, it did cover everything. You guys, it really did erase my dark circle. My face is looking so flawless, so matte, so beautiful. I can't wait. I gotta bronze my face a little bit more, but right now I'm going out with my eyeshadow. I'm going to do my eyes, then I'm going switching for my blush, my highlight, and then the lippies. So without further ado, before we go ahead and start with the eyes, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel. It's written in the description box below. Give this video a thumb up if you like this type of videos. It's going to be a 50 shade free makeup look because today is the world premiere of the movie and I'm so excited. It's going to be a event ladies night premiere with goodie bag, pictures, drinks, snacks, everything. So yes, you guys, I can't wait to go to this event, to the premiere of the Face Shades Free. I will let you guys know all about it in the next video, how fun it was. But right now, let's go ahead and get started with the eye look. I'll see you guys very soon. First of all, I'm going to start by putting some scotch tape, just normal scotch tape on my eyes so I can have the celebrating carnival. We are having a huge parade here, so I did my hair for all the events. So that's why you guys see my hair right now like this, but I will do some videos or maybe a picture look when I'm totally done. So I have a bunch of eyeshadows right here in front of me. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but I am going to try also the new brushes from Wet n Wild that I got in my description box. So I want to get started with my transition color. So going in with the color Pop as a transition color. And I will be grabbing the shadow brush from Wet n Wild so we can test this out. They are very, very soft. Hopefully they will blend and do everything also soft as they are now. Let's see if we can do a cut crease or something like that today. I'm going to be having a nice eye look with a bold red lip, with a little bit of gloss right upon it. Want something with a little bit of silver, so maybe we're going to work with glitter or eye pigments. I don't know what yet, but I do have glitter in front of me. I have a silver glitter in front of me and I have the LA Color Ice pigment. This one is actually not silver, it is a white silvery, I don't know, but it's very beautiful, you guys. So that's my transition color. And let's go ahead with a deeper color in my crease, going in the Beauty Creations palette Sweet Sugar, and we're grabbing a Rain Pop as usual, which is this beautiful orange color right here, and this one is going all in the crease. Grabbing this and making some very small circular motion and passing it right in my crease. Want a little bit of red also, maybe we can work with that also. Trying to be a little bit fast so I can be a little bit on time so I can dress, put my shoes on and have everything ready. But I really wanted to do this look for you guys, so that's why I'm doing this. It's like a get ready with me, preparing for tonight. Yes, you guys, yes. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm actually still early, super early. So yes, now that I have this color in my crease, I want to go in with the smudge brush. This is actually a crease brush also from Wet n Wild, and I'm going in this MAC red color over here, which is the bomb red that I love so much. Grabbing just a little bit of it on the tip of the brush, and I'm going right in the crease with it just to apply a little bit of it right in the crease, doing some wiper motion, grabbing a little bit more. All right, I can see this turning. Oh, very, very beautiful. Alright, now the other eye is looking also very gorgeous. Now I want to go back in my Sweet Sugar palette using Rain Pop back again, and I will be passing it right upon it so we can get like a dimension of those two colors blended in together. Alright you guys, now that I'm done with those two colors, I wanted to apply some eye concealer, so I will be grabbing a small brush that's going to be easy for me to apply the concealer. So I'm using the JCat All About That base, and I will be putting just the tip of the concealer on the brush and apply it. Color, so what I'm doing, I'm grabbing my Lip Blanc small angle brush, dip it in the red color, and I will be passing it right on the crease line over there just to give it the red look back again. think I just nailed my eye look again with the best eye look ever, you guys. The best eye look ever. Just grabbing a little bit again of Rain Pop. Tap it off. And I will pass it right over here. Now for my inner corners, it will be very easy. I'm just going in with a brush that I used to highlight under my brows, and I want to go in with a gold color. Now in order to do a gold color, I think I will be grabbing my Coastal Sand palette, and I'm dipping into this gold color right down here. And this is going in my inner corner, and also I will be highlighting my brow bows.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires.
Okay, it's time to take the tapes off. Be careful. Didn't quite stick them hard on my face because I don't want that. Now grabbing a big fluffy brush and just of the gold in the Okalan Liquid Metallic palette, I will be grabbing the white eye color. Wow, it's very creamy. I forgot that these are the creamiest one. Alright, and I will be putting it on the outer.
My heart afire.
Beautiful because I'm loving it so far. So I want to go in with a bronzer again, but I needed something darker. So in order for me to go darker, I'm grabbing this highlight palette over here, and here is a, no, let's just not grab that. Alright, I'm going in with this Sleek Makeup, and I will be grabbing this brush right here. This is a matte bronzer, and I will be just putting it on some areas of my face. Super natural. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the LA Girl Just Blush, and this is in the shade Just Peachy. Not something shimmery this time because my highlighter is going to be super shimmery. Highlighter brush, and I will be using the Stroke palette from Profusions, and I will be grabbing this beautiful light color over here, and I will be mixing it with a little bit with the darker one. So these two colors right here, and we're going to highlight. Cool. This look is just turning me crazy. Highlight is on fleek, everything is on fleek. So for my, before I forgot about mascara. Let's do some Lash Paradise today for the eyes. Alright guys, now that my eyes are ready, it's time to set everything in, lock everything in. Alright, we're going to do this. So, setting my face. To let it dry, and then it's time to go for the lippy. So I will be using the LA Colors Lip Out. This is in the shade, let's see, what's the shade of this? This is in the shade Lusty, and I will be using Golden Rose lip toppers, and this is a very beautiful pink one. Oh, in the light, this is so beautiful, you guys. You guys gotta see this. Alright, I'm going to apply the matte liquid lipstick first. With my matte liquid lipstick on, I will let it dry a little bit before I start applying the lip gloss right upon it. Oh, you guys, I really did love this eye look. Hope you guys did enjoy this video too. Enjoy this eye look too. It's probably also a Valentine look, so it looks so much like a Valentine. It looks like it vanished. I don't want you to go. I want you to stay. Don't do my mascara back again, because I'm not gonna pass another layer of mascara. Alright, now that my lips are dry, it's time for the lip topper. Oh god, it smells so bubbly. Okay. This is the final look, and I love it. Oh my god, you guys, this is so bomb. I really love this look. I really love how it turned out. I can't wait to do a close-up picture for you guys. I will leave every picture, everything in the video at the end, so you guys can see a close-up final look of how it turned out to be. I really love these lip toppers. I have a gold one, a white one, a bronzy one, and also this pink one. But these lip toppers from Rose Gold are bomb. I really love them, and they're super juicy and beautiful. Got my teeth also a little colored. Alright. Really love this eye look. Turned out just the way I want it to. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, remember to thumb this video up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video.